So in this video, we're going to show you how to install the CRM Toolkit into Zoho CRM. We're going to focus on the contacts module, but you can apply it to any module. So we're now going to install the widget for CRM Toolkit. So first of all, click on the settings and then search in the setup for widgets, or it's available in the developer space. And first of all, we need to create the new widget. So click on Create New Widget, and there you can enter the name of the widget, something that you recognize it with, and also put in a description if you want to, although that's not mandatory. And then choose the widget type and select button, and the hosting, select external, and then paste in the base URL provided on the website and click on save. And then you'll see your widget installed as a button type. Now you can return back to the setup and select modules and fields. And then now we're going to install the CRM Toolkit into the modules where we want to install it. So this one is for our contacts module. Click on links and buttons in the customization and then create your button. So here, give the button a name that will appear in the interface. And if you want a description to help you identify which button this is for, enter the description and then choose where you would like to select and place the button. And then choose Open a Widget on the action you'd like to perform and select your widget and then apply the permissions that you need for the widget. And there we have it. You've installed the widget and a custom button. And now when we return to the CRM, for our contacts module, we're going to go to Create a Contact because that's where we place the button. There's our CRM Toolkit, and it now launches the first part of the toolkit. So it's really easy to do. If you need any help or support, then please do send us a note to support@targetcloud.co.uk, where we'll be happy to help and get you started.